Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for Kearny Bank account. If you've forgotten your password during logging in and you don't know what to do next, then you can keep watching the video till the end since we'll be learning on what to do when you've forgotten your password for your bank account. Open up a web browser first and in the web address bar at the top type in www.kearnybank.com and enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of Kearny Bank, which looks like this. Go to the login button in the upper right hand corner in yellow and click it on. This will bring up an expanded menu. Go ahead and type in your username in the username text field right under personal banking. Once you do that, head over to the password text field. As you can see that you'll need to enter your password for your online banking account in order to log in. So in case you've forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next, simply click on this forgot password link right beneath the submit button. Now click on OK in the pop-up and this will open up a new tab. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text field. On the next page, make sure to type in the valid username that you use for your online banking account. And now head over to the next field and type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. And now enter your email address. Finally, after typing in all of your information, click on this Begin Password Reset button. And on the next page, you'll get to choose a new password for your account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to get out of that situation. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.